My name is Sonny Lute. I'm the supervisor here at the grounds department. This is Aaron Zucker, and this is Amanda DiDonato. And this is our team, our horticulture team.
And then there's the little blue stem.
We take care of all the plant material, anything from pots to flowers, shrubs, bushes, trees. And I leave it to these guys to select what they want to put in the ground.
Yeah, it's white.
I think that what we do helps contribute to the science that goes on here. Things like that, I think help motivate the culture here. That's pretty much why we do it, to beautify the property, to make it look amazing, to give people other inspirations as they enter each building. When they walk around and they see the floral selection that we choose to place there.
I had people walking by and saying it really made a difference, and they were asking questions about what plants I was putting in and stuff. I think that was really rewarding for me.
A lot of the work that I do is maintaining the plants that have been here since before I got here, but also helping to establish plants that we put in the ground. There's a legacy going on. I can continue that legacy by keeping those plants healthy, by pruning them, watering them, mulching the ground around them.
We want certain things that'll thrive in the areas we put them.
When you look at a place like Cold Spring Harbor, it's very hilly, and quite frankly, it varies a lot from like here to 5 feet from here.
Some areas we plant just shade tolerant stuff, and some areas we plant full sun. And there's a lot of ground in between that we have to work with. And the soil composition, obviously. A laboratory it's got so many different soil compositions, from heavy clay to sandy soil to perfect soil, a lot of topsoil. It's not just plopping them in the ground and then leaving them.
You need to do the best you can to give it a fighting chance to survive.
There are babies.
Yes. We planted ranunculus in here for spring, which were really pretty. I kind of focus more on design. Designing is always really fun because you do get to play around with things, but going to nurseries and getting like that creative spark when you see like a certain plant and you'll be like, oh, that could definitely work in this area, and like I could put something all around that, and you get into like a flow kind of thing, right, where it just goes off. When this place was first created, they wanted to make it kind of like a retreat for scientists, because, you know, if you're in a lab all day, let's say you're in a city, everything's concrete, and the nature, it really like opens up the scientist's mind. Every time I'm working on a garden bed, people always stop and will say, like, you're doing a great job, and the campus looks beautiful, and people are really appreciative of what we're doing.
What makes our planet really special is that it hosts life, and to foster life, to be a steward of living things is so special to me.
Let's look at those plants over.